Do you have any problems with your fireplace chimney? I'm going over this morning to have a look at a place where the condo is taking down all the old wooden framed outdoor chimneys. The way they were built was tall and stood off from the building for a long way, and now they need to be removed. And in most cases the fireplaces are really old. A lot of them are gas fireplaces and they need to be removed at the same time. So my job today is to help a homeowner understand what their options are for a new fireplace, because the chimneys are of course going to be taken down and they will have no way to use their old fireplaces. So this is the area that we're looking at here. You can see how these chimneys are all being tethered back. Some of them are taller than others, but the wind has been tearing them free from the buildings. So I just finished up with looking at that fireplace, and yeah, they are tearing down the old chimneys. They gave them a year, so the condo corporation planned a year in advance, so it gives time to figure out what people want to do. Some people are just going to discontinue their fireplaces altogether, but most people are going to put in a new one.